Hey all, just wanted to share a beautiful day. This is what I'd like to call my backyard. It's kind of nice. I'd zoom in, but then it'd look like I live in a Super Mario world or something. And that's what I've been busy on the last couple weeks. That thing cost $180. Lots of scrap material. I had to buy the plastic, the PVC, and this is my front yard. Ta-da! Anyhow, I got some stuff inside, and yeah, let's go look at that. Hey all. Okay, I got my Bedini circuit set up, right? And I don't have a battery coming off the that's a load. Here's the battery I'm going to be hooking it up to. Sitting at 586, at 585. That thing is trashed. Okay, so you can see my neon going. Now I also have, off the output, I've got a black lead coming over, which goes into the negative of this AC cap. It's 2000 volt, I think, which is also hooked into these lights. There's obviously nothing happening. And off the positive over here, of the output on the Bedini, coming over here, this lead, which is going to be hooked up to this in a second. But first, show you the Bedini's working. I got 4100, 4190 RPM, and 92.6 milliamps. Okay, so there's voltage, 5.63 on the dead battery, and boom, plugging in the output. Okay, so amp draw immediately goes up to 120s. As it comes back up to speed, that'll change. RPMs dropped. They're speeding up just a little bit again. Oops. And get this hooked back up. Right, voltage rising dramatically. That was at 5 something. Okay, so anyhow, standard Bedini thing. Here we go, 113, 112, that's still dropping slightly, 110, this is still speeding up. So, anyhow, thing does what it should. Anyhow, I take this back off, and you hear it come back up to speed. There's the neon's lit again. Milliamp draws down to 91.7. 6. He's back up. Still climbing slowly, okay? I'm not messing with the pot, not looking at great timing, I'm just checking it out. So, this bifilar coil here, I'm going to use one winding of it. Get that out of the way, and where's the other side of my line? There it is. And you can hear, oops, sorry guys. Okay, 91 point, hold on, sorry, 91.8. Okay, jumped up. And 9, 10. Lights came on. RPM drops. 29. Okay. Just slowing down. Okay. Don't know where it's going to stabilize. Anyhow, that's the setup. Now, it's still, I've got mechanical energy I can take out of this. I got light. And now I'm going to take this coil and bring it in. Hear the rotor speed up. And the input drops. Now I don't have this on a stand, and I got shaky hands, and blah, blah, blah. But then RPMs are back up to 3,700. Still got mechanical energy. I can pull up the shaft. Still got light. And with proper positioning, I can get this to go down. Now, like I said, I haven't tuned anything. Pull it away, amp draw goes back up, RPMs go down. Lights are still on because this coil is still passing through into the cap. But once again, oh, yeah. And this is still lit. I've still got these high voltage spikes. They're not going to the battery, obviously. Don't know what's left in the cap. I think it's only 2 volts. I think it's dumping immediately whatever it gets into this. I got to check it out. Like I said, I don't know. Anyhow, once again, just for shits and giggles, as my input goes up for a second. And then starts dropping. Okay, 3,900. Pull the coil away. 2,900. So I get almost 1,000 more RPM for last input 93. And like I said, I'll start getting baseline and seeing what it does with the load. I'm pretty sure that'll just that shits out and everything goes over here, and that's not going to charge. But I do need to charge that just to see what's going to go on. So I go plugging that back in. Amp draw goes way up. Still have lights though. RPM goes down, and that's what I got today. So hopefully I'll learn something and come back to y'all later.